At Charder, we've been designing and manufacturing user-friendly measurement devices for 40 years. Because everyone deserves to understand their health quickly and conveniently. And we're very proud that our products have been used in over 80 countries worldwide. Our goal is to make products that are accurate, reliable, and easy to use. From concept, to design, to manufacturing, all the pieces matter. Certified to medical standards, our quality management system ensures that products are safe and effective. Whether it's innovative weight measurement scales or Class II certified body composition analyzers, our experienced team takes pride in maintaining the highest standards of accuracy and precision. Through extensive testing, calibration, and quality control. When it comes to professional body composition analysis, there are no shortcuts. We've conducted decades of original research to develop and improve measurement results, with findings published in world-class journals. As part of our dedication to BIA research, we've partnered closely with universities and research institutes for many years to ensure that the most up-to-date findings are used in our products for results you can trust. Charder is proud to introduce the MA801, designed to quickly and accurately complete a professional body composition measurement. It's easy to operate, with clear and simple on-screen instructions and voice guidance. After inputting user data, simply step onto the measurement platform and contact the device's touch electrodes. The MA801 will use multiple frequencies to measure the entire body. In less than a minute, you'll receive detailed measurements, including muscle, water, fat, and cellular health. It can also be used with a computer system for a safer and more convenient measurement process. Professional BIA is an increasingly trusted tool for measurement of body composition, providing useful data that can be used in many ways, including weight loss, nutrition, sports medicine, and rehabilitation. Contact us to learn more.